How's it going, everyone? And happy Friday. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. In this recap, I want to talk about a trade I called out inside Team Bull. A lot of people made really good money off this trade, including myself. But as always, before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click the thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now let's talk about the SPY trade I called out today. First off, we took this using put options. And put options is a way that any account size can make money on the way down. Pretty easy and straightforward to learn. I do have some videos on that. I will leave them in the description below. So my entry on this trade on SPY was around the 369 area. So we broke out of a bear flag here on the 5 minute. Broke down. I was looking for a pop back up to enter this on puts. So I identified where the 9 EMA was on my 5 minute time frame. And also it happens to be an area of confluence. You see how the bodies of these candles are kind of respecting that area. So I added a little bit down here. I said, okay, if we push back up to the 369, I'm going to add to my position. We pushed up. Got a beautiful fill here on the, I think I got the 368 puts. And a nice move down. Trim going down. Adjusted my stop accordingly. My final sell was down here at this support area, 366.4. Beautiful trade. I hit my daily goal in this one trade. Now, let's think about this for a second. Let's say, what if this trade went bad? Where would I have got out of this trade? For me personally, it would have been above this candle here. Clearly, we would have been above this 9 EMA at that point. And if we break above that, I would expect a push on up, probably to this 371 area and above. You don't have to allow that much room, but I like to leave these trades like this, just a little wiggle room. It's a little bit, the risk reward was there because we did have room from what I could see down to the 366 area. Probably 2 or 3 to 1 risk reward ratio. I'm willing to accept that on any trade. The least I like to accept on day trades or scalps is a 2 to 1. 3 to 1's ideal. But that's all I have for this video. Hope you all made a lot of money this week. If you didn't, I hope you learned some valuable lessons. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.